Join me for a 10-minute walk and I'll tell you why I'm building income after 60 to retire my wife. Here's some interesting statistics. The number of people working past 60, including married couples, has increased significantly in recent decades. As of 2024, about 49.6% of married couples had both spouses employed, and 79.6% of married couples, at least one spouse was working. Now, what's even more, between 2000 and 2020, the share of workers aged 60 and over doubled for both men and women. Among women aged 59 and 63 with employed husband, 68% are working, up from 52% for previous generation. Working people aged 65 to 69, about 36%. Now here's an interesting one. Self-employment is highly prevalent past 65, with nearly half of workers in their late 60s working as independent contractors, consultants, or gig workers. So, reasons for working longer, among others, mostly financial necessity. I'm 63 years old. I get $760 a month from Social Security. I have two dependents. My wife's still working, and she has an immune disease. So for her, it's getting more difficult every day to show up at work. So the truth is, if I don't figure this out, she can't stop working. So I made a decision. Not a wish, not a hope, a decision. I'm going to build enough income to replace my wife's income. That way she'll be able to retire. No excuses. I know the odds are against me at 63, but I'm going to show you exactly how I do it, step by step, and even starting from just $760 a month. Now, most people think retirement is supposed to feel peaceful, but for a lot of us, it feels like pressure. Bills don't stop, groceries don't get cheaper, and health doesn't always cooperate. My wife should be slowing down, but instead, she's pushing through trying to get energy sometimes she can't find. Not because she wants to, but because we need the income. I realized something that changed everything. If I don't become an income creator, then her future stays the same. I know it's hard to believe, but that is what I receive in Social Security. $760 a month doesn't fix anything. It barely covers anything. And replacing $3,900 per month, that's not a small goal. That's survival. So here's where most people get stuck. They think they need everything figured out before they start. And you don't. I didn't. In fact, what I'm doing right now is probably simpler than you think. But it's almost something most people will never commit to. I stopped looking for shortcuts, and I started building a system. Not a lottery ticket, not some get rich quick idea, a system. Here's what that looks like. I'm documenting my journey, every step, every mistake, every small win. Because there are millions of people out there who are in the same position, over 60, worried, and trying to figure it out. And instead of hiding my struggle, I decided to turn it into something valuable. And that is content. I'm building income by telling the truth. That's it. I'm not pretending to be rich, and if I was, I wouldn't be here. I'm not pretending to have everything figured out. I'm showing the process. And here's what happens. Some people will start paying attention. Some people will believe in what I'm doing. And eventually, that attention and belief will turn into income. Not overnight, but it compounds. And once you understand the one thing that actually creates income online, everything starts to click. Income today doesn't come from one source. It comes from building assets. Things that keep working even when you're not. So here's what I'm concentrating on. Create content that helps people like me build trust and connect that trust to simple income streams. Whether it's videos, guides, affiliate offers, simple systems that solve real problems. Nothing complicated, just consistent. I don't have 20 years to figure this out. That's the truth. But I don't need 20 years. I need determination, consistency, and a reason strong enough to keep going. And I have that reason. It's my wife and family. I see what she goes through. I see the exhaustion, the effort, the strength. I have made up my mind. She's not going to do this forever. I don't care how long it takes. I don't care how hard it is. I'm going to replace that $3,900 a month. And if you're watching this and you feel like it's too late for you, it's not. Just go for it. If you want to follow this journey and see how I'm building this step by step, subscribe. Because I'm not stopping until she doesn't have to go to work anymore. See you next video.